Why divorce is so expensive in the U.S. Divorce in the United States often comes with a hefty price tag, and several factors contribute to its considerable expense. From legal fees and asset valuation to emotional and geographical considerations, the complexities inherent in divorce proceedings can lead to substantial financial burdens for those seeking to end their marriages. Understanding the various elements that contribute to the cost of divorce sheds light on why the process is often considered expensive in the U.S. Legal fees, hourly rates. Divorce attorneys commonly adopt an hourly billing structure for the legal services they provide. This means that clients are billed based on the amount of time the attorney spends working on their case. Several factors contribute to the variation in these hourly rates. Firstly, an attorney's level of experience plays a crucial role. Those with a seasoned track record and a wealth of expertise in divorce cases often command higher fees. Reputation is another key determinant, as attorneys with established names in the legal field may charge premium rates for their services. Additionally, the geographical location of the attorney's practice influences these rates, with attorneys practicing in metropolitan areas or regions with a higher cost of living generally setting higher hourly fees. Retainer fees. In the realm of legal services, clients often initiate engagements with divorce attorneys by paying a retainer fee upfront. This retainer serves as an initial payment, essentially reserving the attorney's services. As the attorney progresses with the case, their fees are deducted from this retainer. Should the retainer be depleted during the course of the legal proceedings? Complex asset division. In divorce cases, characterized by significant assets, businesses, or intricate financial portfolios, the accurate valuation of properties and assets becomes a pivotal aspect of the proceedings. To achieve precision in this valuation process, divorce attorneys often enlist the services of experts, such as appraisers and financial analysts. These professionals specialize in assessing the worth of diverse assets, including real estate holdings, business enterprises, and complex financial instruments. The expertise required for this task, coupled with the intricacies involved in determining the fair market value of diverse assets, contributes substantially to the overall expense of the divorce. The costs associated with hiring such experts are incurred with the aim of ensuring an equitable distribution of assets between the parties involved in the divorce. Child custody and support issues. Child custody disputes within divorce proceedings often introduce the need for in-depth assessments to ascertain the best interests of the child involved. Custody evaluators or psychologists are frequently engaged to conduct thorough evaluations, weighing various factors to make informed recommendations. These professionals, possessing expertise in child psychology and family dynamics, charge fees for their services. These fees, along with the associated legal processes, significantly contribute to the overall cost of the divorce. Similarly, the determination of child support amounts adds another layer of complexity to divorce proceedings. The intricate calculations involved in assessing child support, factoring in considerations such as income, expenses, and the child's needs, may necessitate legal assistance to navigate potential disputes or disagreements between the divorcing parties. Alimony or spousal support. The determination of alimony or spousal support in divorce proceedings often introduces a level of contention that may lead to negotiation, or, in more adversarial cases, litigation. Alimony disputes revolve around financial support, provided by one spouse to the other after the marriage ends. The complexity of financial arrangements, including considerations such as income disparities, the duration of the marriage, and the supported spouse's needs, often fuels disagreements. As these matters become more intricate and contested, legal intervention becomes imperative. Attorneys play a crucial role in negotiating favorable terms or, if necessary, presenting the case in a court of law. Court costs and filing fees. The procedural aspects of divorce involve various court-related actions, each accompanied by specific filing fees, constituting a notable component of the overall cost. These fees, which can vary across jurisdictions, include charges for essential documents such as petitions, responses, and other legal submissions. Every formal step in the divorce process incurs these filing fees, contributing to the financial aspects of the case. Additionally, If the divorce proceedings necessitate multiple court hearings, the costs escalate further. Attorneys charge for their time spent in court, encompassing preparation, representation, and post-hearing activities. Prolonged legal battles. The duration of a divorce case can have a direct impact on the accumulation of legal fees, with prolonged disputes, negotiations, or delays contributing to higher overall costs. As divorce proceedings extend over time, attorneys spend more hours addressing complex issues, engaging in negotiations, and navigating legal intricacies. The lengthier the disputes, the more opportunities there are for legal billable hours to accrue. Efficient and amicable resolution of issues can mitigate these costs by streamlining the divorce process. Timely agreements and cooperative negotiations not only expedite the legal proceedings, but also reduce the need for protracted courtroom battles. Geographical variations. The geographical location in which divorce proceedings unfold can significantly influence the overall cost of the process, mainly due to regional disparities in the cost of living and legal services. Across the United States, various regions exhibit distinct economic conditions, affecting the expenses associated with divorce. Urban areas or states characterized by a higher cost of living tend to witness elevated costs across the board, including legal representation fees, court-related expenses, and associated services. The increased cost of living in these regions often translates into higher hourly rates charged by divorce attorneys, impacting the overall financial burden on individuals seeking to navigate the complexities of divorce. As a result, the regional cost differences play a pivotal role in shaping the economic dynamics of divorce proceedings, making the financial aspect of divorce more challenging for those residing in areas with a higher cost of living. Emotional and psychological toll. The emotional toll of divorce is often profound, prompting individuals to seek therapeutic support or counseling to navigate the complex feelings and challenges associated with the dissolution of a marriage. Divorce can bring about stress, grief, anxiety, and a range of other emotional struggles that may impact one's mental well-being. While divorce attorneys address legal aspects, the emotional dimensions require the expertise of mental health professionals. The costs associated with therapeutic support, including individual or family counseling sessions, add an additional financial layer to the overall expenses of the divorce process. Individuals may find that investing in emotional well-being is crucial for coping with the strains of divorce and, ultimately, for building a foundation for personal healing and resilience as they navigate this life-altering transition. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.